Hi, this is Johnny. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ngayon guys, meron akong gustong i-share sa inyo about dito sa ating SSS kung paano natin i-update yung naka-register na address dito sa ating SSS via online. Make sure lang guys na mayroon na kayong account dito sa my.sss para magawa nyo ito na i-update yung emailing address dito sa ating SSS. Para ma-update natin, kailangan natin ilagin yung ating account dito sa my.sss. I-type natin sa ating browser sss.gov.ph. Then ilagay natin yung ating user ID sa kayong password. Then login. And guys, once na login na natin yung ating account, so papunta lang po tayo dito sa member information. Then i-select natin dito yung member details. Then dito sa bandang gilid, i-click lang natin itong update information. And then proceed tayo dito sa online correction. So dito sa online correction guys, pwede natin mapalitan yung ating mailing address, foreign address, telephone number, mobile number, saka email address. So since ang papalitan natin dito yung mailing address, so i-check lang natin dito guys yung mailing address. Then fill up lang natin ito guys, yung room, floor, or unit number or building name, house or lot and block number, street, subdivision. Then kung Metro Manila, so i-click natin itong Metro Manila. Kung province naman guys, i-click natin itong province. Then select natin kung saan municipality, barangay, saka postal code. So kung halimbawa hindi siya applicable to guys, sabi dito, if the space field is not applicable, leave it blank. Ibig sabihin wag na natin fill upan kung walang room or floor or unit number or building name yung bahay ninyo. So fill upan natin. After natin ma-fill upan guys, click natin tong next. So sabi dito, please review the corrected data before submitting. So review natin guys kung tama yung information na nilagay natin. Then kung tama naman guys, click natin tong submit. So sabi dito, please check the email notification and text message sent to your registered email address and mobile number or updated email address and mobile number for the link to confirm your request for updating of contact information. So i-check natin guys yung ating email para kailangan natin i-confirm doon para mag-proceed yung ating request. Ayun guys, meron na tayong natanggap na email from SSS. So actually automated na email lang to guys. Kaya after natin magawa yung request, makatanggap tayo kagad itong email na to. So sabi dito, this is to acknowledge receipt of your request for updating of mailing address. Please click here to confirm your request change. You need to confirm your request within 3 working days. Otherwise, the link will expire and will need to repeat the request process. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan natin i-click to guys. Kapag hindi natin siya na-click, mababaliwala yung request natin. So, hindi siya mapapalitan. Yung ating request na updating address. So, click natin itong click here. And this is to confirm the following changes in my contact information. So, click natin itong confirm. You have successfully confirmed your request. After 2 calendar days from confirmation date, you will receive the email notification informing you that your requested change have been effected together with PDF copy of your updated contact information. So antayin natin yung another email from SSS na nagsasabi na updated na yung request natin dun sa pagpalit natin ng mailing address. Ayun guys, kailangan ipag-update ng ating address sa ating SSS via online na hindi nyo na kailangan pumunta sa any branch para magpa-update. Sana guys nakatulong yung ating tutorial at sana nasundan ninyo. Kung may mga katanungan kayo guys, pwede i-comment sa ating comment section below para masagot natin. Maraming salamat guys. See you next time. Bye-bye. God bless.